On the chart like a priest in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump, altars of alpha, wallets get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, and I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, light up the sky, burn off our chains, bring us the gains. Eyes wide shut, undefine with the play, spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send, Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone, sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear, take the trade, release the fear. Burn the down, cleanse the wick, let the din be real quick. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, gains, the bulls bring all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gain. Eyes on the chart like a priest in the zone, pray to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump, altars of alpha, whales get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, gains, the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gain.
Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. What's going on? Lunar Beaches Crypto in the house. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for being here. I do greatly appreciate you. It is Thursday, December 11th, 2025 at 10:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The question tonight is, are we bullish? I think there's a good chance that we might be. I want to know if Piper has heard, because it's the first time I heard of it from Meet Kev today, of POMO. Not TOMO, not FOMO, but POMO. So Meet Kev has this interesting theory that he released today about how it looks like the $40 billion injection might actually be $60 billion. JP Morgan, I think he said, even said as such. And that it's 52-week, probably 52-week treasury bills. He essentially said he expects the Fed to be that $60 billion to come once a month for all of 2026. It's an interesting theory. So, that's what I want to know. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Let's go ahead and say good evening to chat before we get into the charts. What's going on? Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here. Alexandra G, and pinning that Discord link in the chat. Real quick. I'm just going to keep it a thing. I'm in a Bitcoin long. I want to see. Let's see what we can do, okay? Let's see what we can do. Sorry. Good evening, Alexander G. Good evening, Johnny December. What's going on, my friend? Thank you for being here. Do greatly appreciate you. Army Piper in the house. What's going on, bro? Thank you for being here. Army Piper's my dude, man. I love that guy. We've got JR in the house. What's going on, Ninja? My ninja. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. All set in the house. What's up, fam? Throwing them waves in the chat. Absolutely love seeing the waves. You know I love seeing the waves. I'm in the same long LBC. Heck yeah. Let's go. Jesus Say 77. What's going on? Thank you for being here. Jesus Saves. I talked to my wife tonight about stamps and how I never am in an area, or if I'm in an area around a post office, I don't think about it. So it tends to be when I'm home, when I'm like, oh man, I forgot to get stamps. My wife then proceeds to tell me that they sell stamps at Kroger, which is right up the road, and it's open. So tomorrow, oh yeah, my daughter's boyfriend is here. I was like, why is my dog barking? He's bringing her food because she's sick, but anyway, but yeah, so I should be getting some stamps so I can send out those daggum stickers. And then I think we're going to do, I'm not sure exactly when, but maybe a Christmas giveaway for more stickers. So I still have a bunch to give away after the anonymous donation from an amazing person. I won't say who. They didn't want the recognition. They just wanted to show support for me, and I was like, oh, amazing. So there we go. All right, let's get to the charts. That's why we're all here, right? All right, kind of slowing down on me a little bit. I don't really like it. Come on, get moving. Of course, it is Asia, so they like to do some F-ish, if you know what I mean. But we have our trend fusion, our momentum wave above the zero line, pushing higher. We've got our money flow in the green, and we have our true 7 above the zero line. And so that is showing underlying overall bullishness. And so that's why I took the trade after the breakout. I got in it a little late because honestly, I didn't see this part. So it is what it is. But that's okay. Let's see. The breakout terminal. Up 14 bucks on this one. Stop loss is it tighter on this one? Yep, a little bit tighter. I like this one better, but it is what it is. Yeah, so today I'm getting tired of missing moves, guys, because of work. I'm about to just quit my job with no financial backing whatsoever. Just take the risk. Take the leap. Why not? Why not? Where'd my chat go? There we go. Let us know if you need me to keep him in check. The clout. Oh. Throw my wrench at him. Oh, you're talking about my daughter's boyfriend? Yeah. So, I want to see if this, well, let's see if this plays out. It's looking super, super nice and juicy. This level right here is actually one that I pulled earlier today. This is off of a 1 minute fair value gap. And you can see that 1 minute fair value gap ended up acting as resistance and then support. Would have been a nice long right there. Boom. Let's see. Did we get a bullish engulfing? We did get a doji. I don't think I would have taken that one, honestly. It was a bounce off the 5 minute dynamic reactor, though. This might want to come down, back down to the dynamic reactor, take this low. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll keep it going. I'll keep it going. So I did have a long trade today from here. And I got stopped out because I put in a pretty tight stop. And it was very unfortunate. I saw the account grow as this was pushing up, and then it just trickled back down, which is annoying. So, entered somewhere in here. I think it was on the 3-minute. I believe I entered here. Yeah, had to be here. Stop below this low, and that's what it did to me. So that's cool. And I had this. Where's the I have it drawn on here? No. Let's see. This one? Hold on. Yeah, so this was, yeah, the upper level up there, and 93,211. I mean, it would have destroyed it. Oh well. Is what it is. What's going on, Harp? How you doing? Thank you for being here. The Andy R. What's going on? Javi in the house. How are you all doing? Good evening. Good evening. Thanks for the live, David. I'm not going to be in chat, but watching live. Night all. Night all. God bless. God bless to you. Jesus saves. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see. 15. I was before the show. Where's my Blowfin perps? Blowfin perps. Need a star that one. Watch it come down, take me out, and bounce off that dynamic reactor again. And the VWAPs. Be alright. I will survive. Where? Okay, so I posted SWE. Oh, okay, we got the breakout. Can we get a back test? Can we get a back test? Let's go to the 3-minute. See, did we get a back test on the 3? Nope, it's pulling back now. Oh, we got a dynamic reactor here on the 3-minute. Come on now. Come on down. Come on down. 786. Bounce. Or golden pocket. Let's take this wick. General area right here. That's what I like. That's what I like. Let's tighten that up. Tighten up. We got a fair value gap right here as well. So yeah. Let's see. Let's come down here and get a bounce. Let's go back to the 15. We've got green money flow in the 15 minutes, so that's solid. We've got true 7 above the 0 line. We have our momentum above the 0 line, so it's looking solid. If this doesn't pull back and just leaves without me, it'll be okay. I will survive. I will move on. Zcash sold short about to print together. About time. Yeah. I saw your soul short in the Discord. Where are you shorting it to? 131. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm not bearish like that. We do have VWAP at 133.38 based off of this low. I don't know. Got this VWAP right here. We've got dynamic reactor, buy signal, all that's playing up. Look at this, man. Buy signal, break, dynamic reactor, pullback, push, tap this high. GG's. We got API 3, dynamic reactor coming in. There we go. So I want to see API 3 get a break of the dynamic reactor and pull back to about 50 cents, 49.98, so about 50 cents. I need it to be a much more bullish move than that, though. So we'll keep this. We'll keep this over here. We do have some relatively equal lows over here that I might want to come back to. Although I don't know that altcoins really follow those rules. Because honestly, I don't really trade altcoins. And I haven't backtested equal highs and equal lows on altcoins. So I imagine they're similar. That's the final TP. They rarely hit finals. Usually out by TP1, raise stop loss, break even after. Perfect. LBC saw that breakout. A AG retest. OC retest. I like the way this looks. This is what I mean. This is when I talk about base building. I like this because it's building a base. Doesn't mean it can't come down and then continue to base build something like this, but I'm just waiting for that nice big push above the dynamic reactor and a pullback to it, and then I'll look for the continuation. Because them dynamic reactors is fire. Juke. Got the breakout. About to break back down. Not what I wanted to see here. No trade. No trade at all. What else did I post? Beam. No. Let's see. Are we going to come back down to demand? Maybe. No volume. Breaks the 30 moving average. I'm out. I heard OC invented the retest and market makers just complied because he's so BA. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, Kelly. How's it going? Thank you for being here. Hey, David. Hey, guys. Hey, Kelly. How you doing? Yeah. Adjust. So now, three-wave corrective move, three-wave corrective move, and then we look for a three-wave corrective move. Take the lows, come into the demand. Now it could just sweep that low, and sweep these lows, just like ever so slightly, and then bounce. So we shall adjust and conquer. We'll see what happens here for Beam. Doge, it's about the same. Putting in the swing high. Now that I'm looking at these, Is Bitcoin going to do the same? It's an ABC correction, though. So honestly, actually, let's go down to the 5, 3. Do we have a solid 2, 1? Okay. Alex did say trade the 1 minute for Asia. Last down candle. Of course, my stop is placed right here. Money flow coming out. This is the 1 minute. Don't forget that. Al Jr., what's going on? Blessings to you, my friend. Many a blessings. So we do have this demand zone. Let's get this high in here. Still didn't touch it. Sus. Bada bing, bada boom. Are you going to want to come back down to the 786 at $91,678 Bitcoin? Just a $1 million question. Maybe. We can see a high volume node down here. Top side of this is 91,738. Cancel the long. We got to buy in lower. But generally speaking, yeah, this structure sucks. Not really, but just talking crap. So we got the break. I want to get the pullback. 91,885 is the top side of that demand zone. We'll see if it'll want to bounce there or let me turn these signals off. I like the TPs. You know what's pretty cool about these TP signals is that oftentimes, let's go to a higher time frame. It's not going to be as crisp on the 1 minute. But oftentimes, when it gives a max profit signal, it's typically a good time to go into the opposite direction or to be looking for the opposite direction. So you got to buy max. It's your max profit here, buy max profit. You get the drop, the buy max profit, back up into order block. And then down. Of course, you can't see that order block, really. Green. There we go. Double tap. Nice wick off the level. Man, if you can draw out supply and demand levels and you see wicks like this off of that level, and especially if you see some follow through to the downside or to the upside, if it's going into demand and getting a wick like that, it's almost a dead giveaway. That's kind of when some market makers showing their hands. Wick action. Love some good wick action. You want the wick to take out a previous low. I personally, let's see, this is just almost perfect. Breakout, retest. Well, this was FOMC, so that's a whole other thing. Anyways, let's get back to current price action. Let's see what's going on. Waiting. Trading is waiting. Have you clicked the like button? We appreciate you. Yes, we do. Bingo and a bango. What's going on? T.I. Joe, how you doing, my friend? Thank you for being here. Thank you for sending your viewers over to the stream. I absolutely appreciate that, my friend. What's going on? David Gelfin, T.I. Joe. What's going on, Shep? How y'all doing? Thank you for being here. Hey, what's going on, Melissa? One love in the house. LBCOG. Thank you for being here, Melissa. Yeah, I want to see if we can come back down here to this slope and get a bounty off this dynamic reactor. I might move my stop loss. I shouldn't. No, don't move your stop loss. It is what it is. It is what it is. I kind of want to move it. But nope, that wasn't the setup. I swear to Bob, if you take me out, I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry about it. Yep, because I'm a man. I'm 40. Not yet. Not yet. I still have 2 more years. Okay. It's gonna do like it did to me earlier. Wick me out. I was sitting at 51.20 earlier today before that other one turned around on me and stopped me out. So that was cool. We'll see what happens. Show the wins, show the losses. We are transparent here at Lunar Beaches Crypto. Thank you guys for showing up, showing out. I'm back. He's back. JR is back. And he wanted to let you know that he's back. RSV, what's going on with this one, man? Get a nice wick here on the 4 hour. It's done pulled back since the last time I looked at it. It was pushing. So we're going to get that flow of liquidity? That's what I want to know. And is $60 billion... See, here's the thing. A lot of people get a little too tied to the whole... It's like, well, it's just $60 billion. I mean, what can they really do with that? Look, it's not the point. The point is rate cuts in 2026. We're thinking 2. They're thinking 2. That's as of right now. That is while we still have Powell. That is before Kevin Hassett. Powell still has base like 6 months. Okay. He wants to leave out on a high note, probably. I would imagine. So let's get that liquidity injected, and that's going to help prop up the AI play, which helps prop up the economy. And that's basically it, man. Hey, Lunar, I forgot your old name. Huh? My old name? David? I don't have an old name. I've always been Lunar Beaches Crypto. 1 minute double bottom, LOL shorted, LOL, you're so crazy, bro. Good evening, Lunar Entity. Oh, Lunar Entity. Hey, Lunar Entity, what's going on? Tahiti? Ooh, Tahiti. 1 minute double bottom, LOL shorted, LOL, you're so crazy, bro. What are you talking about? One minute double bottom. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Just turn around. Just turn around. Just turn around. Oh, where's my Asia session? Let's VWAP that ish. Throw the anchors in the chat for the anchor VWAP for all set. All right, so we're trading on top of VWAP. We're consolidating on top of VWAP of the Asia session, which of course is the session VWAP, the daily session. But what is this? Do I still have this on the yearly? Yeah, session. Yep, exact same. Turn that off. Anchor gang, wave gang. I like Wave Riders, but I might start creating songs with Wave Gang in it. Oh, let me, speaking of songs, what am I doing here? Liked. Cover your ears. No, I'm going to turn it down first. Put a 1 in the chat if you can hear the music. Because I couldn't hear the music. And can you hear me too? Like, let me know if it's too much, because I need to know. And I need to write down the actual, like, slider setting. Because right now, this is at 0.33. So let me know. 1, you can hear it? Is it good? Is it too much? Taco gang. Great. All right, cool. All right, I don't like that. Anytime, you see it here too. See it here? See the gap between the bodies? We got a gap between the bodies here too. Especially, I mean, this is more on the 1 minute, but gap on the bodies here. Oftentimes, you gotta have a body close that gap. Look at that, very next candle. Look at it, closed up here, open down here. I bet this candle fills this gap. Look at that. It's moving to the upside, but the candle is red. What's that about? Is this happening on Bybit too? Oh, now it's green. Or white, whatever. Same. No. So you're going to find that mostly on more illiquid exchanges like Blowfin. Particularly on super low time frames like the 1 minute. Mind the gap. But yeah, I mean, these gaps get... That's why I like looking at Blowfin sometimes, because it can kind of forecast that stuff. See, look. See these gaps between the bodies? Price did come up, and it came back down to fill that gap. Price continued higher, took out this higher, and guess what it left behind? This little bitty gap down here. Nobody close. It did wick into it, but no candle body close. So it came back, got that candle body close, and then continued to push higher. Look, another one, candle body. Then it just left this behind, and guess what? Came back for it. Same with this one. Looks like it's going. And yeah, there's a gap here, and that's just a gap in the order book. So what do you think has to happen? They gotta fill the gap. Do the bear and a blender. That's what I was. Footprints. Let me see the footprints. Smart contract. Bet. Yeah. Where? Trying to find one of those gaps. Let's see. This will make it easier. Zero. No orders. What do we got to do? We got to come back, fill the orders.
It's the LBC boy riding in the storm again. Moon guys above us.
Zeros.
Wave rider beside us.
Hmm.
Welcome to the trench, partner. Let's ride. Yeah. Came up from the dust, no trust in the system. Fed playing God while they
Lasers. Pew, 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 pew. What's going on, lasers? Thank you for being here. Logic. Setnas. Yeah, I agree with JR's logic. It's in slight profit. I think he just thinks he agrees with the logic. Let's see. Mind the gap. Wow. Pump it. That's a trip, though. Don't pamp. I would have took this soul short, too, if I was looking. Nice. Good call, JR. Soul short play out good. Thanks, bro. I hope so. It dropped. I dropped it. JR, when does Asia Orb start for you? Short to daily Anchor VWAP play. Is in slight profit. I think he just thinks he agrees with the logic. Okay. You're just talking amongst each other. Alright, so got the consolidation on VWAP, and we're trying to get a push away from it. So we will see what happens. Come on, Bitcoin.
I put on LBC.
You're gonna do it to me, aren't you, Sweet? I don't know. We might be getting an ABC in here. Running the game. Purple teal, yeah, you know the name. It's a wave we ride. Dude, don't sleep. Wind stacking deep. Calculated, yeah, we playing Steve. Ooh, nice sweep there on Brett. Nice. Nice and ugly. Relatively equal lows. Equal lows. Come back for him. That's nasty. Come on, let's try to find one. Just to sell. But the roots run deep. LBC, we got buyers. All I care about. Oh, there you go. Make it. Ooh. Look at this gap. What is this? Orca. Interesting. I can't trade stuff like this though. I mean, I can, but high time frame. There's so much stuff that looks like it just wants to pop, especially like this. You know, we were going over it last night, going through all these charts. What was one I saw earlier? Bonk was one of them. Just like all these highs just look so juicy. I feel like they're all just gonna pop. I think people really underestimate how easy it is to push the crypto market, man. It's hard to push Bitcoin, yes. But these altcoins, they're so illiquid. It's just really easy to push them. What's this? Basic? Oh, basic attention token? That's BAT. Looks interesting on the 4 hour. Man, that would have been a nice little catch there. Roots run deep. That's gonna be interesting because I know that I know CryptoFace uses Hikanashi candles. And my friend of mine that built his own market cipher generic indicator said that the money flow is better on Hikanashis. On the Hikanashis, on the 4 hour, the money flows in the green. But on your standard candles, it's still in the red. But this looks kind of bullish, man. That's a nice breakout. And then consolidate on top, flipping resistance into support. This bat looks like it's about to go.
Tide comes in, I learn from the loss, double down for the win. Moon on my chain, it reflects in the sea. Decentralized truth, that's freedom to me. Community strong, we all ride a line. Lunar Beaches Crypto, one of a kind. Ride away, let the candle rise, money on chain. See it in our eyes.
Yeah, money flow is thick here on the 12 hour. Money flow is good on the daily too. Yeah, this basic attention token might be looking for a push, man. It's above the VWAP 2 on the daily. This one's done absolutely nothing. Y'all drinking some juice? No. Blood diamonds were built for them too, not standard candles on market cipher. Oh, yeah. It's on the weekly. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, this bat token looks like it's ready to freaking explode, man. I haven't seen a chart that looked this bullish. Been doing some pretty nice stair stepping. I just really like the break of these highs and the consolidation on top of those highs. It looks super juicy. But I need confirmation. Ride the wave. Blood diamond on a 15-minute on your standard candles. Manipulation. One of these days I need to get the real market cipher. Alexander GGG. Off me. Melissa one love. Cheetah spot. 77. Bat's looking good. Hey, Litecoin is just... I actually have... Where are you at? Thought I had Litecoin on here. Not from this land. Ha! Beautiful. Looks like we went bearish. I mean, the same idea. It's just... Now it's, let's see if it can break above this high, get above the dynamic reactor, and get a pullback on top of the dynamic reactor, and go on the 4 hour. This is what I call the, I haven't said this in so long, but I call this the fallopian tube pattern. Okay. Scheiße. I mean, come on. It's actually a very, very bullish pattern, guys. Yeah, TV contest on stocks. That's a bottom signal for sure. That's right. Oh, that was great, JR. Could call it a tea bag. No, it's more like a mushroom stamp. What's the NASDAQ doing, man? What are we doing here? Very bullish for guys? Shep, you're funny. LMAO. I've seen that pattern on Wave Cipher. Oh, for real? That's funny. Are you gonna want these relatively equal lows, NASDAQ? I don't know. NASDAQ's trying to build a little base in here. Bet London gives us the move, of course, while I'm asleep. I only commented to fit in. Boys will be boys. 3 girls, alright? I just pay attention and I know things, okay? We are the wave riders. Solana looking kind of bullish. Sorry, JR. Bully. There it goes. Come on now. All of these equal highs. I know you want them. I know you want them. Take him. It does look a bit bullish. I'll trade it to profit. Cake time. It's fine, it's fine. I'm prepared for that wave to come at me any direction. Exactly. Hey, look. We adjust when we need to. We keep things how we change things when we need to. We keep things how they are. If that's what you need to do, it's what you need to do. What's the S&P doing? S&P. Are you trying to put in a bear flag? Now I do. I don't mind patterns on stocks because they tend to play out more than they do on crypto. Got some juicy lows in here. That like that juicy Memphis barbecue. I really want some. Watch them's lows. We got some in here too. XAU got them dirty wicks. Does it? Gold? Women putting up with men as a full-time job. Facts. Facts. So on this one, on S&P, I'll look for, want to see a break of this upward support. Dynamic reactor. I have no idea what this level is. Let's take. Oh, this high? Okay. Take out the lows. It might bounce off the last low. Conservative play 68.81. Got a fair value gap right here on the 5-minute. That's also resistance. Previous resistance. So I want to see if that'll flip into support.
Altars glowing, screens ignite, green and red.
So this is going to be more of like a demand zone.
Every coin, a prayer of sin. The blockchain burns.
If it wants to come down to it. So yeah, sweep the lows, come to the demand. I mean, this is essentially an ABC. You get the A, the B, the C, and then continuation. Bullish Friday. Will the moon gods bring us the gains? I've got a pit bull. Actually, don't remember the last time I took a picture of him. He's a pretty boy.
Every ledger hides the room where the faithful lose their way.
You guys ever seen this?
Makes them pray.
That's my boys right there. Name that rap group. Yeah, I'm probably not going to find a picture of him. He's a pretty boy though. That's all you need to know. He's sweet. Sweet pretty boy. This doesn't sound anything like Sleep Token. That's because it's not Sleep Token. I don't have a single picture of my dog on here. Man, I need to take more pictures of my dog, man. I need to take more pictures in general. I used to take pictures all the time, like a lot. And I just like stopped one day. I don't know why. It was almost like ever since I got into crypto. I'm too busy DJing. I also have a wife, and she takes plenty of pictures for the both of us. What you doing, soul? Duality, see, not of this world. See if it wants to get a bounce off of this. Maybe a band-aid. He thought I was gonna lean over and pick up my dog. That would have been great. No, he's probably in my daughter's room. It's where he sleeps. Together we ride, together we shake, quake. 14.57. This is the number of units, I do believe. So it would be 14,500 Solana tokens. So you can see. That's why when you go to something like XRP, it'll say way more because it's so cheap, typically, unless nobody's buying it or selling it, trading it. What is this, Binance? 11,000 XRP. I saw something. There's some ridiculous. Was it $18 billion in volume? Like what? Since like the ETF launch? Like, Jesus. And it's at $2.03. Like what? Volume footprint candles are lit, especially when you know how to read them. 33.43 thousand. I bet Coinbase has more volume on XRP than Binance does. Maybe. Yeah, look at this, 200,000, 295,000. It's much different than Binance. Binance, I guess, they just don't be trading on there. 421,000. What's something that has like crazy? Give me a. What do you call those things? Shit coin, meme coin? Oh yeah, that's what it is. $1,000 bonk. Now they do the 1,000, so that might not be. Let's do PayPay, USD, and Coinbase. Yeah. Minus 862.5 million tokens. Jesus. It's so dumb. Let's look at a bigger candle. Let's go to the daily. What are we looking like on these? 7.87 billion tokens traded. Oh no, 91 billion traded. That's just the delta I'm looking at. Holy crap, 1 trillion? Holy crap. That's absurd. Ain't no way. This one looks kind of bullish. Nice SFP here on RSR. Reserve rights. Nice daily SFP too. Remember the rules. Remember the rule on the SFP. You get a sweep of a low and you close above. On the SFP of highs, you get a sweep of the high and a close below. Spot buy 60%. AVAX, what are we doing, AVAX? No sweep here, but this is the daily, so remember that. Do have a VWAP oversold. We've got our trend getting tighter and tighter, but moving to the upside. Maybe get a push here on AVAX, and you got that money flow coming back to the upside. So it might do some craziness like this, kind of like it did back here. Yep. Everything's trying to flow with that Bitcoin retrace. All right, let's take a look at our USDT dominance. Huh. Don't do this. Just fall through, please. I'm long. Russell, what are we doing, Russell? Oh yes. Ugh. Keep going, Russell. Keep going, Russell. So we've got Fed injecting liquidity. We've got the Russell actually giving us a real breakout now. Which, for those that don't know, the Russell 2000 is risk on assets. Risky assets. It's low market cap stocks. Okay, so when this moves to the upside, you're seeing breadth. At least in this lower caps, you see breadth opening up in the market, meaning more risk on environment. So we've got Fed injection, monthly injections coming in 2026. We've got the Russell breaking out right now. The injections help stabilize Nvidia. Now it's a like a teeter-totter situation. And it's just kind of like, as long as, and this is the key thing, as long as Nvidia doesn't tank, it should be okay. That's the thing. All right, guys. Oh, sorry, Alexander G. I stayed on a little later. Good night, Alexander G. Thank you for being here. Think LBC gonna roll over maybe? LBC? Did I say LBC? BTC? I told you it's gonna roll over just to take me out, and then it's gonna go. I still debating about moving that stop, man. Just because of what happened earlier today, but I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Trump approved sales in China? When? Just now? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, he approved. I think that's old. No, retail has money though. Retail doesn't need money. People will put their last dollars in if they see number go up. Just because they're desperate. And I don't know what you mean. Look, the thing is the economy is kind of, it's humming along. It's gliding. It's on a glide path. And as long as you're on a glide path, and you can put just a little bit of money in every week or whatever, that's enough to just have a slow climb in 2026. And that's all you really need, is a slow climb to the upside. You don't need crazy, super bullish moves, but I do imagine diminished returns just across the board. I'm not expecting, other than some like random meme coins or something, I'm not expecting, especially out of popular coins or mid to large cap coins, I'm not expecting like 100 X's on those. I'm not even expecting 50 X's on those. I think a 10X would be very solid for mid caps, and 3 to 5X pretty solid for large caps for the year, for 2026. If the bullish scenario even plays out, we'll see. We shall see. But either way, guess what, guys? We make money whether the market's going up or down, and we ride the waves, because that's what we do here on Lunar Beaches Crypto. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate you all. Don't forget, tomorrow is Friday, so that means it's Compliment a Stranger Day. So make sure you guys go out and compliment a stranger. I don't know, tell them they got some nice shoes, or you like their smile or something, okay? Why do we do this? Because it's a good thing. It's a nice thing to do. So yeah, basically, it's just a nice thing to do. And we just like to make people's days around here, okay? So we want to make a stranger's day, make people smile, and just generally be kind. So I hope you all have a wonderful Friday, and I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend. And I will see you guys in the Discord and in the chats. Mad love. God bless. See you guys later. It's time for the dance party. Let's go. Love you guys. Bye.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the nights while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the mad I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Chart your chaos in Fibonacci gold. Whispers of Hermes and candlesticks bold. Gravity bends in the orbit of gain, but Eros and entropy play the same game. Hydrogen heartbeats, atoms collide. I built my altar on the 5-minute tide. Staring through candles like constellations, searching for meaning in oscillations.
I asked the gods for signals and signs. They sent me noise in symmetrical lines. The quantum belief in synthetic light. I ask the gods for signals and signs. They send me noise and symmetrical lines. The code is divine, the risk is alright. A quantum belief in synthetic light.
It's all Friday, let the charts decide. Peptides still leverage, I won't hide. Neon priests in a digital sky. Worship the pump, let logic die.
FOMO Friday, my sacred vice. Trade like a curse, pay the price. No gods, just gains, no grace, just flame. But I still call your algorithmic name. Yeah. I carved your ticker in obsidian stone. Tethered to Mars, yet traded alone. Errors lapse in the bull run chase, while Daedalus longs for the ATH. Binary prayers to forgotten kings. My soul is a stop loss on digital wings. I kiss the void and sign the line, then blame the stars when fate declined.
Echoes of data in Apollonian dreams. You promised control through chaotic extremes, but chaos is coded and I pressed buy, knowing full well that I could die.
It's FOMO Friday, I burn the chart. Offer my doubt to the gods of the dark. Molecules move and I feel the divine in one last tick above the line.
FOMO Friday, let the madness flow. It's science, it's myth, it's profit, it's woe. I trade, I fall, I rise, I pray. It's FOMO Friday, make me obey, yeah.
Make me obey. Make me obey. Make me obey. Yeah.
All right, is everybody gone yet? What? No. No. I'm not telling them that. They're crazy. They're degens. Don't you know this? Oh, oh, oh.